hello from, well, we are at the Pleasure Beach Resort, but that's not what we're about today. So at time of recording, this is actually the day after the final day of the season here at the Pleasure Beach Resort. And this is the Boulevard Hotel, or BLVD, which is their flagship hotel. It's their nicer, the more premium hotel. And we've stayed here for the night. And it's a wonderful hotel. Yeah. It's been here for a few years now. We haven't stayed here for about 4 years roughly now.
When you said his birthday.
It was my birthday, yeah. Last time we stayed, it was my birthday. It's an absolutely beautiful hotel. We really love it. Of course, it's made up of 2 hotels on the complex. There is this one here, and just behind me, you can just see there is the Big Blue Hotel. The Big Blue Hotel's a decent hotel. It was showing signs of a little bit of wear and tear last time we were there. There is an on-site parking as well. You can just see behind me here, which has got there is limited parking, it's not loads. We came yesterday and the parking was full yesterday. So we did manage to get a space, but there's no further spaces, so that's something to have in mind. There is plenty of on-street parking further down if you're looking for spaces as well before you come to stay here and you're staying at the park. So yeah, let's go in and have a look what the hotel's like. So as you approach it, so you've just come up from the car park now, you can see that it's a really, really beautiful hotel. It's got a nice water feature here as well, and I like the kind of rock work on the front of the awning here as well. And we're staying in just above where the BLVD sign is here. So you can just see here on that first floor, which is just on that one there. We're staying in there, and our room goes around the corner and gives the view of the park here, so you can see the Big Dipper going across. You can see the big one, which is just there, and we can see Icon, and we can see right the way across the park all the way over to there, and you can see flying machines as well. So it gives you an absolutely fantastic view of the park. You can see Red Arrow and Skyforce, yeah, and of course you can have 2 options. You can have the park view, which is what we've opted for today, and you can have a sea view on the other side. So yeah, without going further ado, let's go and have a little bit of a check what's going on. I do like that. They protect all the plants that are here. They're not normally on there. It's just the time of the year they've put these on there to protect the plants. And it has a really beautiful entrance as you go in, doesn't it, Casper?
I love the 2 little toads.
Yeah, so there's 2 little toads there. They're really cute. They're just on either side that greet you as you go into the hotel as well. So yeah, that's a really nice feature as well. So we'll just go in and have a look what it's actually like. They've got a nice Christmas tree there that's as you come in, which is a really, really nice feature too.
I do like the Boulevard.
Oh yeah, and you'll notice that they do have all the Boulevard baubles on there as well, which is quite nice. We do have all the Pleasure Beach baubles on our tree. So we come in here, so it's got a beautiful, very, very nice reception area. And I do like the Hiram Maxim's Flying Machines picture that's there as well. Of course, it's the oldest continually operating ride in Europe. So we come around this way. It's got a nice seating area here, just in the lobby, and it's just really, really beautifully decorated. I like the Revolution picture that's there. So as you come down here, there's some familiar faces that are down here. Here's Robin and Eden and Casper. You're having a bit of a chill out on there. So how comfy is that?
It feels like it's just a bit like...
Does it? Really comfy, is it?
Yeah.
That's massive, that sofa, isn't it?
Very.
Yeah. It's just for Robin's size, yeah. So as you can see, this is from the front here, so you can just make out there. I'm not sure. Just the other side of there is where all the sea is. If anyone who's not familiar with Blackpool, is that kind of lamppost there. The other side of there is that's effectively the sea wall. So if you're staying in one of the rooms directly above where I'm stood now, you'll have the view directly out onto the sea. So that's your choice. You can have the front or the back. Either way is a good view though, really, isn't it? If you're getting either sea or the park. So yeah, I do like all the artwork that they've got here, actually in the hotel itself. Is all kind of amusement, old style Pleasure Beach, and relative to the actual park as well, which is really, really good. So if we come around this way, you can see the bar's just over here. It serves a variety of alcoholic beverages as well, and just through there where that gentleman stood is where the restaurant is, where we're going to be going for breakfast. So yeah, it's really, really nicely presented hotel. So we're just waiting for the lift to take us to our room now. They are very, very nicely presented lifts. I know it's a weird thing to say, but they do. Everything about it just looks really premium. So yeah, our lift looks like our lift's about to arrive now. So just come out of the lift now, and the kids are leading the way to our room. We're staying in room 140, which is a family room, as we make our way down here. So you can see all these rooms here will be the ones that are on the side, that are overlooking the Big Blue Hotel and the seafront. So we've got to work our way all the way around the building.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Good morning. And we're all the way down at the bottom. So we've got to turn this corner because there's another room that's there. So they're showing us where we need to go. So we're all the way down at the bottom. You can just make out through here. In fact, we'll have a quick look through here before we go into our room, because that's our room there, room 140. And I'll show you from here. So this is where we were shortly before, just down there. At these, so these are reserved spaces. This isn't the normal car park. The normal car park is actually through just where that barrier is there, and that's the view that we are going to be having for our room. So let's go inside and have a look at it. So as you enter the room, the first thing that you notice is a really nice spacious hallway here, and some nice hooks there to be able to put all your stuff on. I like how they've got these little greeny colours on them as well, and you spin around, which is quite nice as well. Yeah, a nice bit of storage just down here as well, which is good. And as we come around here, we've got the children's area. So this is where the kids will be sleeping, which looks really, really nice. So Casper's modelling that. So you've got the bunk beds, which are here, and they've got TVs for the pair of them, and they're currently on at the moment displaying the promo for the hotel as well. Little ladder that goes up the side there, and yeah, that's nice, isn't it? The bed's quite comfy, Casper.
Yeah.
That's good then. So then, and they have got little uplighters in there as well. You can see the little light that's just underneath there for the kids, which is quite nice. Got their own little night light. As we come down here, they do have you have your own little fridge. I'm not sure if that's a mini bar or that's just an empty fridge. Yeah, so you've got a couple of bottles of Voss water in there, and there is lots of milk for you to be able to make yourself a cup of tea, which is good. And you can see they've got one thing. I do love these mugs actually, these BLVD mugs, and the usual tea and coffee making facilities, and these glasses are quite nice. Quite like them. And it all looks really, really nice. There's a nice little station there as well. We brought some little snacks along with us. In terms of storage, they do have these coat hangers here, and it's like a nice bit of a wardrobe that's there to be able to put all your clothes as well. So I was going to go into the bathroom now. As you go into there, you can see it's quite spacious in fairness, and looks really nice. And they've got these marble tops, which are really nice finish as well, and it just looks premium compared to the Big Blue as well. It's a really, really nice finish. And yeah, the toilet looks good. You've got the little push buttons there, and the shower looks nice as well. Lots of mirrors all around as well. So yeah, it looks really, really good. You've got all your towels and stuff, which are just located down at the bottom there. So we'll just go through and have a look at the actual sleeping area and see what that looks like. Some more storage that's just down here as well. And you've got irons and ironing board as well, and hair dryers, which are just located there too. So let's go into this area here. This is the main sleeping area. So this is a family room, this. And you can see you've got a very, very big TV, which is good to have in as well. So we've just got all our stuff here at the moment. So we've got a few bags. We've just arrived. And you can see here, we have got a park view room. So you can have park view, you can have sea view. Both are good, in fairness. But we wanted to have the park view. We want to be able to see the park. So you can see you've got the Big Dipper in front of us. You've got the big one. And of course, time recording, this is the last day of the season. So the park has finally closed for 2024 for one last time, which is quite sad for us. But it's nice to be able to spend it here in the Boulevard Hotel, which is absolutely... And you can see we've got a very big bed as well. So we'll get Robbie to test that out in a minute and let you know how comfy it is. We have stayed here before, but it was a good few years ago, and Eden was only young at the time. So it's nice to be able to come back and experience it again. So then you can see just through here, if you look through, I'm not sure because of the reflection, but you can just see down there, those lights, that is the Boulevard, that is the Big Blue Hotel there. You can just make out there. That's the Big Blue. So that's the other sister hotel to the Pleasure Beach that's located here. Where we are at the Boulevard, at one time, it was actually a pub that was here. And yeah, so they got rid of the pub. The Pleasure Beach bought it and made it into one of the nicest hotels, probably the best theme park hotel around. So it's going to go up here and see what Robin thinks of it. So what do you think, Robin?
Oh, it's lovely, this hotel.
It is. It's
miles better than Big Blue. A lot of people prefer Big Blue, but we haven't been that impressed with it. I've always had something happen or be wrong in a different way, but this is lovely, and I love those windows.
They're really good, aren't they? Right on the corner there. So we've got the two windows. So we've got, looking at that side, so you can look at the illuminations. Look at that side, you can see the park. And one thing I didn't actually mention with this, actually, is how you can see the illuminations. You can just make out there. You got SpongeBob and everything, which is really, really cool. And it's nice to see as well. So what do you think, Casper?
I love it. It's like really fancy, this hotel.
It is a fancy hotel, isn't it? It's quite posh. And we really, really like it. And it's my favourite theme park hotel in the country. And where's Eden for your thoughts? Oh, she's ready for bed. She's absolutely knackered.
She's not, she's just chilling watching Strictly.
Eden's in bed watching Strictly. There she is. She's got Strictly on. Eden's happy. Yeah, you're enjoying it here, Ed? Well, there we go. You've got the kids' seal of approval. That's how good it is. So we come down for our breakfast now, and it's a nice little serving, isn't it? So I just went up to get the breakfast, and they actually place it up for you as well, which is quite nice. And yeah, it was a really good selection. You can see, look at the size of the pastries that they actually offer there. They're absolutely huge, aren't they? And they had pan au chocolats and Danish whirls as well, which were absolutely huge. Robin's got a nice bit of jam on toast that she's making for Eden, and she's got a nice little selection of sausage, eggs and hash browns as well. A nice little ball hash brown, which is great for kids as well. So yeah, we've got the freshly made coffee, which they bring out to you as well. So we're going to get tucked into this, and we'll let you know what it's like when we're finished. So how was your breakfast? It's nice, isn't it? I'd say looking around this room, it's really, really, it's just really nicely decorated, isn't it? And it is an oasis of calm on the.
That's Big Blue, it says.
It does.
Don't know what this one is.
It's on the promo for Big Blue. It's saying that it's an oasis of calm. Eden's still tucking into hers there. You're doing all right though. Is it good? Yeah. And how was yours, Casper?
It was nice.
Nice.
I'm not even really serious.
And as I say, I've actually demolished mine. Robin's on a third cup of coffee. We won't talk about what happened. Yeah, let's talk about it. The poor waitress that came across decided to pour it all over the table. I know it really wasn't. Bless her, she came and cleared it all up. But the coffee's nice, isn't it? It is really nice. It's lovely in here. Yeah, so really, really recommend this place, don't we? It is miles better than the Big Blue, though, isn't it? I have to say. So last time we stayed in the Big Blue, it was looking a little bit more tired, wasn't it?
We were quite shocked actually at how tired it was.
Yeah.
Yeah, we won't be staying there again unless they
No. Everybody, stay at this one. So this is the room in the daylight, what the view actually looks like from our room, and it really is special. It really is. I know when we came in and we first had a look around, it was dark, so it's nice to have a little look around here and see it all in the light. And we slept without the curtains closed last night just so we could have a look at the view out of here, because it really is special, isn't it?
It was amazing. I was like, I'm not shutting the curtains.
No.
I just want to look at.
Yeah, exactly. Yeah.
The last day of the season, we're like, we're going to miss it so much.
We really are, and it's what's great because we've got the corner window, so just to get the perspective, so it's there, and we've got that window there, so you can see some of the park from that side, and also the Big Blue Hotel, and then from that side we've got all of the rest of the park to be seen from there, which is really, really beautiful. It's so nice, and what a view that is. So that is the end of the video for the Boulevard Hotel here at the Pleasure Beach Resort. And what a fantastic hotel it is. We absolutely love it. I mean, we love this hotel anyway, but it's been 4 years, so a lot can change in 4 years. So we thought maybe it's not as good as it was. It was quite new when we came last time. But no, it's really, really good, isn't it? Yeah. And we absolutely love it, and we thoroughly recommend it. I mean, these two guys didn't hear a peep out of them all night either, so that's a good sign, isn't it?
Yeah. Must be comfy.
It must be comfy beds, and our beds were really, really comfy too. So thank you very much for watching. If you have enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button, because it really does mean a lot to us. So we're off now to check out another attraction. So we'll see you in the next one. Let the positivity in, and
Ride it out.
bye guys.